Okay, ready?
You look like you have it.
Sorry. Ready? Woo!
Oh, that's a flip.
Yay!
Good job.
Yay!
Can we do one more?
Yeah, you want one more?
One more?
One more?
One more?
Let's do one more. Okay, ready? Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh, great.
Yay!
Okay, we'll do one more like this. We'll show them our little rocket ship.
Rocket ship to the rocket ship,
Maybe
rocket
how
ship
they
to
do
the
this.
moon, rocket ship to the moon.
What did they do it? Okay.
Rocket ship,
Ready?
rocket ship
Ready?
to the moon, rocket ship to the moon. Whee!
Okay. Whee! 1, 2, and 3, and then ready, ready, and woo!
Another flip. Good job.
Rocket ship,
Do you want to
rocket ship
fly? Do you want to fly for a little bit? Let's fly. Ready? Oh, let's fly.
rocket ship, rocket ship.
Here, show Auntie Cynthia your flip. One last flip. Wow, you've done like 4.
Want to do one more?
One more or no? Yeah, you do.
Hi, buddy. You want them?
Oh, oh boy. Oh, wait.
Really fast, jump in this picture. Other side.
Remember where everything is.
Other side.
Did it with Connor and Casey.
His legs are kicking when he's Are you watching Casey? Let's watch Casey. How long did it take to
Okay, so that was. Okay, so. Yeah, let's restart.
Do it again.
Ready, bud?
You want to ride? Get back on. Get back on. Good job, Case.
That's what Mommy wanted me to do. So, I'm afraid you can have that.
Wait, Dad, you're cleaning it up?
If you just hand it to him, he doesn't know what to do. You have to let him pick it up.
What did you do?
He put it in his mouth all by himself.
Yeah.
Put what in his mouth? A pop.
Pop. Would you like the pop? They're not that tasty.
Why?
They taste like air.
They're like a puff. It's a puff.
A puff of
A
air.
puff of air. But they like it because their taste buds are.
Wow, Logan, that was oh.
No, he didn't put it in his mouth. He's like, who's there? You guys are talking about.
In there.
Is he leaking? Why is it all wet right there?
What? Didn't you end up like having to dig it all out?
Oh, is that one?
Yeah. And I've also heard that
It's not safe.
it's not safe.
What is supposed to go in?
If you put the stuffing on the inside, it's not really something you're supposed to do
Oh.
because it like
See, I think
increase your risk of salmonella poisoning.
Yeah.
the next time I'm gonna put a little bit more chicken stock, and then when you bake it, and dry it out.
I want the recipe for this stuff.
Remember, how much were those little bags?
I don't remember.
Because this is just 2 loaves of the,
Mom,
you know, the skinny of what? Of the, it's like 2 sweet baguettes. Oh, wow.
I'm down here.
The funniest thing is, like, you don't realize until after you have kids how
Got your back.
you eat your food like cold all the time.
Or
Black
or
Friday
you have to
deals
eat
on
it after
Amazon
they
devices.
go
Black
to bed.
Friday,
Like,
new
really late.
house.
Ooh, we could get some Alexas
A what?
for more of those Alexa Echo things. For
Oh, where, can I see?
Connor, don't pull on that.
Okay, hold on.
He's like, nah, I want to hang with my
Show me
cousins.
a picture of a real daisy with a really nice poinsettia bumblebee on it.
But that's, I just want them outside.
wow, you're
Meet my
back.
sister Casey. Hi.
It's too much. Like, all the,
Okay, you can delete emails.
oh, really?
What did you say?
Oh, there's this whole setting.
I said, meet my sister Casey. And then I said, hi. And then Siri said, hello.
Yeah, they were talking about
Meet my cousin Logan.
I mean, sometimes I do.
Logan.
I'm on my phone and receive, but like instead of like interacting with our child
Ow.
like, on my phone, you know.
It's hard because like we use FaceTime.
What's how many miles from
Yeah.
Earth does it take to Pluto?
We'll try, like we try. Here's what I found on the web for how many miles. Yeah. Hang on.
Logan wants to join the fun.
We have like funny pictures from last year.
I don't
Because we got this huge.
Meet my cousin Logan. Goo goo.
Like, when the neighbors, as soon as they call, all their what? All these. Yeah, because there's a lot, right? Yeah. So they, the gardeners, like, their gardeners.
Tell me who is the best soccer player ever.
So our front yard always looks like this, like, Friday mask.
I thought you
Do I have HOA in there or no? No, no.